started on my makeup video, and I said in a previous video in the past that I would show you the foot patches. Let's see, it's made with wood vinegar extract, bamboo vinegar extract, chitosan, tourmaline, vitamin C, vegetable fiber, minus iron powder, dextrose, cinnamon, chili, detox foot patch for external use. So I'll be putting them on the, on my foot. The soles of your foot or in the middle of your foot, or you can do the upper part of your foot, or in any different spot that you feel comfortable. Use at your own risk. And May 31st, 2024 is when they expire. So yeah, they're perfectly good. That was a good purchase. I gave the rest to my daughter. She loves them. So I'll be having like a little spa day. I put that on, and then I have some cottage cheese. I got Jollibee Spaghetti and these delicious Hawaiian chips right here. Oh my god. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Got both foot patches on. Oh, these are spicy Hawaiian chips. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. I got all these drinks. I got coffee too. Water talk. Mm. So spicy. Mm-hmm. All right, the tablet's booting up so I can play my games. I'm having my Jollibee spaghetti. I like the little meat and the little hot dogs in it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Spa day. This is delicious. And I have cottage cheese with peaches also. Mm. Mm-hmm. I put some sharp cheddar cheese on it. Mm. All right, I got my bubble game started, and I'm collecting a bubbles. I gotta watch a commercial with it. I got my coffee. My son made it for me with sugar-free creamer. Mmm, delicious. Amazing. Okay, so we'll start with the Almay Age Essentials Concealer. It has SPF, so we'll start with that. I haven't used this in a good minute. So put it anywhere it needs correcting. And now we'll go into the bathroom. And blend it in. You go right here. It's nice and soft, moisturizing. I think I'll go right in here too. Perfect. I think that's great. And then right in here. Looks good. I'll be back.